Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another recipe from the Konkani cuisine. We'll be seeing how to make a soft and spongy dosa recipe, Mushti Polo. To prepare this recipe, firstly take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of raw rice or idli rice, half cup of split urid dal, 1/4 teaspoon of methi seed. Wash this well and add 2 cup of water and allow this to soak for minimum 5 to 6 hours before further use. Next, take half a cup of flattened rice or poha and add 1 cup of water into it and soak this separately for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, take a mixer jar and add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, poha or flattened rice, and the previously soaked dal and rice mixture. Now add 4 cup of water into this and grind until your batter is of fine consistency. Make sure the batter is not too watery and is of the right consistency as shown in the video. Now transfer the batter into another container and allow this batter to ferment overnight or minimum 5 to 6 hours before further use. Once the batter has fermented overnight, add salt as per taste and mix the batter well. Next, take a dosa tawa or a non-stick pan and pour 2 ladlefuls of batter and spread it gently with the help of a ladle. Now allow this to cook in medium to high flame until the pore starts forming on one side of it. Now close this with a lid and cook in low flame until the dosa is done. Now your delicious Mushti Polo is ready, so do try this simple recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. For a few more dosa recipes, please click our dosa recipe playlist which is there in the description box on the suggested videos. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.